Hey guys, it's Nick
and Helmi.
and welcome back to our channel.
So we are now in Jakarta, Indonesia, and there's new transportation that recently opened called MRT.
Similar to one in Singapore if you guys been on it.
So today we basically want to try for the first time this MRT and then see, the route, how to go there, how much it costs, and everything. So this is our first time.
That's right, it's our first time. It's always a first for everything. We're in the Bundaran HI terminal right behind us here. It's next to Plaza Indonesia. So let's check it out.
Sure, let's go. Let's go.
Alright, here we go. Very crowded. And lots of steps too. Lots of steps means a lot of exercise, which is kind of healthy, right?
I know.
we need some exercise actually.
Outside is actually quite humid. As you know, Jakarta is all humid and hot. So inside is actually aircon, so it's good thing.
I'm gonna say the aircon's really nice, right? Nice and cool, refreshing. That's great because outside is so humid, right?
I know.
Oh, this is so good.
Nick is sweating.
I'm sweating. Check out the queue, right?
My god, this is so hectic.
There's so many people trying to buy the ticket.
Alright, so after 10 minutes queuing, the machine is out of service. Okay, let's just buy the card.
Sounds good. Okay. So we've been running around trying to find the best deal here for the MRT card. But I think we're gonna go with BCA. At the moment they're having a special which is for 40,000. You get the card and about 20,000 rupiah of credit. So I guess it's not too bad. We're just gonna get us to the place that we're gonna get to and then come back here basically.
And we basically skip the queue because the queue is ridiculous.
That's right, yeah.
I was like sweating.
Forget about it. We're just gonna buy it now.
So there are a few ways to basically travel with MRT. One of them is buying the single trip, and you can buy it here. I was queuing for like 10-15 minutes and suddenly the machine out of order, so forget it. And then there's another one which is BCA card. BCA is Bank Central of Asia, which is a very famous bank in Indonesia. And it's basically 40,000. And inside there are 20,000, and then you can literally just tap on and tap off. And you can buy this as well for like Alfamart, the convenience store to buy stuff. So pretty convenient actually, and it's cute anyway. Apart from BCA, there's also other bank which is like BRI and also Mandiri, which is the same local bank, and they also charge 40,000, and inside the value is 20,000.
Damn, like there's so much foot traffic right here. It's crazy. I literally lost Helmi right now. There she is.
Okay, you got this?
Alright. Juffy Juff. Yeah, y'all do. Helmi's got the Flintstone one. Cool.
Yep.
We are in.
Finally.
I don't even know where we're gonna go. We're just gonna test it out. I can feel the aircon coming in again now, which is great. Wow, look at that. It looks exactly like Singapore's MRT, right? Even the entrance is similar. Wow, look at that. This is awesome.
And, well, first impression is actually quite clean. Aircon. It's just the queue to buy tickets is ridiculous. But apart from that, everything is good.
So the Bundaran HI station is apparently the first station here. So it's like the final station. So from here, it'll get you down to Senayan and further on. So yeah, so far so good. Very clean. And we're just about to find a carriage that's pretty empty. We can go in there. Maybe this one.
This is like Singapore.
Yeah. Oh, you have to manually open it? Dang, I thought it was automatic.
I love this MRT because the handrest is actually quite short. Look at this. So I'm not tall guys, so this is actually perfect for me. And also there's like a railing up here. You can basically put your stuff there. And the most important thing is this aircon. The rain.
Yeah,
you
it's
need
actually
aircon in Jakarta.
It's actually quite cold, quite nice actually. Very, very comfortable.
So the MRT is not only underground, but it goes up to the upper ground as well, which is on top of the bridge. So you can literally see the view.
That was like a 15-minute ride and we're in Block M right now,
Yeah.
right? It's so convenient, it's crazy. It's really, really
Good.
convenient. Really good, very comfortable, very clean, loving it.
Yeah.
This is great.
And
you also,
aircon.
that's right, and you also get on top of the bridge as well, like in Singapore. So you get kind of a view as well, which is really, really nice, right? It's amazing.
Bundaran HI to Block M in about 15 minutes is great. Convenient, clean, aircon, and it's very fast. So thumbs up, Jakarta, well done.
So now we're heading back to Bundaran HI. Alright, and we are back now in Bundaran HI.
Bundaran HI.
Oh guys, what an experience, right? The MRT.
Oh yeah, so we are now in Grand Indonesia and we just saw JOKOWI, which is the president of Indonesia.
Right?
It's crazy.
Crazy, we were squashed like sardines. There's so many people. My god, what an experience too.
We got pushed out, I got stabbed on my foot, everything is like, I was like sardine like this. Like the president of Indonesia in a shopping mall. Wow,
People
crazy.
are going crazy right now, oh my gosh.
So now back to MRT. So we like to review MRT Jakarta.
That's right, and for cleanliness, it's 5 out of 5 for us. Definitely super clean. For convenience, another 5 out of 5. Because from here to Senayan, was 15 minutes, and then back from Senayan to Bundaran HI was another 15 minutes. I was like,
You
wow.
beat all the traffic, literally. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so the things to improve, I guess, you know, in terms of the ticketing, because it's a bit confusing for first timer like us. This is honest opinion. So we actually want to give you tip. You just need to buy this card. It's called Fast Card from BCA, which is Bank Central Asia. Depends how much is the promotion that time, but when we bought it basically for 40,000 rupiah, and inside there's a 20,000 credit. So you can actually use it. And it's not only for the MRT, you can actually buy it for something else as well, like, you know, Indomaret, Alfamart, like the convenience store. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the review of MRT Jakarta.
That's right.
Overall, it's well done to Jakarta. We're so proud of you.
So don't forget to punch the like button
Subscribe.
because it's free, and we will see you guys next week.
See ya.
See ya.